This luxury hotel gives you a front-row view of Berlin's most famous landmark from your bed. Welcome to Waldorf Astoria Berlin, one of the most luxurious addresses in Germany's capital. Perfectly located in Berlin's prestigious City West District, the hotel occupies part of the iconic Zoofenster Tower, rising high above the city's skyline and offering spectacular views in every direction. Luxury starts the moment you arrive. Elegant interiors create an immediate sense of occasion. With polished finishes and timeless design throughout, the atmosphere feels sophisticated without being intimidating. Everything here is designed to impress, yet still feel warm and welcoming. The rooms are among the highlights of the property. Spacious layouts make an immediate impact. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with light and frame some of Berlin's best urban views. Many rooms overlook the famous Kaiser Wilhelm Memorial Church, a view that's difficult to stop looking at. The decor balances comfort and elegance beautifully. Warm neutral tones create a relaxing atmosphere, while premium materials elevate every detail. Even simple moments feel special here. The sleeping experience is exactly what you'd expect. Plush bedding and exceptional comfort. Perfect after a day exploring Berlin. The bathrooms continue the luxury theme. Marble finishes add a sense of grandeur, alongside premium fixtures and amenities. Deep soaking tubs invite you to unwind, while spacious showers enhance the spa-like feeling. Every element feels thoughtfully designed, blending functionality with luxury. The attention to detail is impressive throughout. Beyond the room, Berlin awaits just outside. Luxury shopping is only moments away, as are many of the city's attractions, making this an ideal base for sightseeing, whether it's your first visit or your 10th. Dining is another standout part of the experience. The hotel offers elegant spaces for every occasion, from casual refreshments to refined meals. Presentation is as impressive as the surroundings, and quality remains consistently high. Breakfast is particularly memorable, featuring a generous selection of fresh options, from pastries and fruit to made-to-order favorites. It's the perfect way to begin a day in Berlin. Guests can also enjoy exceptional wellness facilities, including one of the city's most acclaimed hotel spas, a peaceful retreat above the busy streets below, designed for complete relaxation and rejuvenation. Throughout the property, service remains polished and attentive, helping create a truly five-star experience. From exceptional dining to unforgettable views, from world-class wellness to elegant accommodations, Waldorf Astoria Berlin remains one of the finest luxury hotels in the city. Would you stay here?